Productions.
Welcome back to another Secrets of the Pros. And I want to shout out to all the fans. I want to, thank you guys for keep on subscribing and supporting Pristine, supporting our website, making the purchase. And also, I want to let you guys know that my official mixing reggae course is out. Mixing Pro Volume 1, arranging tracks in the box. No analog gear required, strictly in the box. You're going to learn how the pros do it. It's powered by Coursecraft, and all the free stems for this particular reggae song that you see in the early trailer video on YouTube is available. Stems include. So enroll now. Seats are limited. I guarantee you don't want to miss this course, guys. You want to make your stuff be fat and pro like the pros out there. My course is going to change your life. Now, today we're going to be talking about trap mixing tips. How to get that big 808 banging in your face, so when you're driving past on the street in the car, you can turn it up, man. So let's get right down into it without no further ado. Remember to hit me up on Pristine Productions, buy my rhythms. This one will be in stores as well. So here I have a trap beat here. I'm gonna let you hear some tips here. So first thing is first, you might say, Ray, how did you get that 808 to sound that way, man? How did you get that 808 to be kicking? Now, a lot of people are struggling sometimes how to get the kick and the 808 to just stay right there. First thing is first. I have the SSL EQ here. This is a simple mixing tip you can use. Tip 1, when you have the 808 engaged, you can roll off a little bit of bottom end, maybe about 30, 35, not too much, to get that big 808. Because yes, the pros, the people I learned from, they actually roll off a little bit of the low end from the 808 to get that banging sound. So don't nobody tell you anything about, nah, Ray, you gotta leave all the low end there, man. That's how 808 is. You're gonna overpower, your speaker's gonna blow something out. So listen to the pro. Now, also a very nice frequency here to be boosting is around the mid-range area, maybe about 500K. If I turn off this EQ, listen to this 808 right here. Where did all the mid-range go? Where's that big thump going? I'm actually boosting 20 dB, guys, of 500 kilohertz. This is what it sounds like to get that knock in the 808. So that's the tip. Boost. Don't be afraid to boost some mid-range, about 200, 300, 400, 500, go up. Check that out. And tip 2, when it comes to the kick, roll off a little bit of low end here. You can even go up to about 40 here and boost a little bit of the 3.5K, about 9 dB, and shave off a little bit of the 56, maybe about 1 dB, so we can clear up that 808 boom, get the kick out of the way while still getting the snap. If I turn off the channel strip here, kick is lost. If I turn it on, then you can hear that snap. So that's the tip I want to leave with you guys. And don't be afraid to use a little bit of GTR distortion on your pianos. That's so you can get some organic feel. And link me up, guys, on my website. You can enroll on my website as well. I'm going to place the link in the description for my mixing course. I'm going to be doing a trap mixing course as well. And last extra tip I'm going to leave right here is the use a little bit of NLS here. Turn it all the way out. Why do I turn it all the way out? When the needle hits red, just in a little bit of the red, there's where you get the true color from harmonic distortion. I bet you people don't tell you that. So I'm going to catch you on the next one, guys, and be safe, wear your mask, stay away from Corona. Support me, enroll in my course, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Shout out to all the fans and all the customers and supporters, by the way. So have a great day.